Drones have been a hot futuristic tech item for a while now, and with drone racing video games gaining popularity and more drones hitting the market than ever. In today's video, we're going to check out the best drones for kids for 2022. Number 5. Dowellin Mini Drone for Kids. So if your kids have a tendency to crash drones more than they actually fly them, not to worry. This drone is almost crash-proof because nature always seems to find a way. But this drone is simple to fly with a remote control. It's covered plastic blades and a small motor with just enough power to make it fun, and it won't decelerate until it dies. The flight time is 7 minutes, and it requires 3 AA batteries. It can fly headless and also locks in one hover position if controls stop. Number 4. Force One UFO 4000 Mini Drone for Kids. There are a ton of safety measures built into this remote control LED drone. It has blade covers and rounded edges, making it safe for kids. Plus, it's lightweight, has limited power, and can be easily operated even by pretty young flyers. It has an 18-minute flight time. It uses AAA batteries in the remote transmitter. The drone is rechargeable, and it lights up with bright red, white, and blue LED lights. This one also flies headless. It orients itself to the remote instead of the controller needing to fix its manipulations to the drone. Number 3. Zoopod Flynova Pro Ball Toys. It's a drone, it's a game, it's the Zoopod Flynova. Parents everywhere are cheering with glee over this drone for kids because it occupies their children outside for oh so long. The way this drone game works is that you pass it back and forth, and depending on where your hands are at the time, it kind of flies off on its own a bit, and your kids must catch it. It lights up, so it can even be played at night. Fair warning though, it will scare the absolute crap out of skittish dogs. Number 2. Hogs Gravitor with Trick Stick. Consider this a drone with training wheels. It's soft, safe, and guided by hand. The Gravitor with a trick stick allows kids to learn how to manipulate a drone without the worry that it will knock things over or injure anyone. The entire exterior is made with the lightest foam. Just hold your hand below it to guide it how you want it to go. Number 1. ATTOP Drone with Camera for Kids. What stands out to me about this drone is that it has a low-power warning and a low-power slow return function, preventing it from just dropping out of the sky, as most drones tend to do when they die. It also has a killer HD camera that you can watch in real time on your phone. Kids love swooping this around trees, over playgrounds, and around their area to see it from a new perspective. It can be used in headless operation, and it also has 3-speed modes for simple maneuverability. Because you can use the remote or your phone to power it, it has the option of being run by voice control, making it accessible to more operators. It can do its fair share of tricks, including a 360-degree flip, which our 8-year-old tester was able to pull off without a hitch. Parents will love that it folds up, pulling the arms and blades inward, keeping them safer during storage.